Hello everyone, welcome back to the Outlier, so which is one F. And today we're gonna talk about the Outlier about the how to calculate it. We've been doing this one like from last year. The lower fence, which is Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, Q3 plus 1.5 is upper fence, which is what we do is when you have the box plot and you have a minimum maximum, but all layer will be around like here or here, and lower fence which is like a lower fence and upper fence, well it looks like this. um so I will show you how to draw with the box plot with your CAS calculator and then calculate the all layer as well. So because we're not using by hand, so what we do is very simple and easy. So what we do is run it, so we can say R as our calculations. So what we do is we go into the CAS. Once you guys start with your home page and list a spreadsheet, as always, we do run. And the first number will be 11.2. Enter. Oh, sorry, we have to change that one. Sorry, start again. Maybe if you see that little document changing, we go document settings. We're going to the not exact. So we go to the approximate. Okay, start again. So run 11.2 enter. 12.3 enter. 11.5 enter. 11 enter. And 11.6, 11.4. We keep going. We're nearly there, guys. You're doing great. 11.2 and 12.7. Hopefully, you keep up right now. If you keep up, give you a thumb up. If you're not, you can pause and do it. And 11.3. So that's it. So once you have the all the data, and then what we do is make sure you press enter, and you had 11.3, you press enter, move to the next one. Otherwise, it doesn't count the last one. That's a little tips for you guys. And then what we do is control dot, and then we're adding the data statistics. That's all the data you had. And then we write down in the run, which is this is your the dot plug, and then many plug type box plot. So you can say this one 12.7 is your all layer because also is your maximum. Just be aware that because lots of people are thinking your maximum will be 12.3, but now actually your maximum highest score is actually your all layer, which is 12.7, which is the slowest. So which is, for example, if Usain Bolt and I can't remember another runner, maybe John Human. So what we do is we're running, and then the Usain Bolt got a 12.3, and Human got like 12.7. You can't just not counting the maximum will be not the 12.3, right? The not the slowest. Slowest will be 12.7. So that's how that works. Does that make sense? So do not just leave the outlier out the maximum. Okay. So now we'll be going back, and then we just say the box for the data, and then what's your IQR you can calculate. And if you don't want to calculate by hand, I have another part to show you, which is we're going to adding calculator. Many, can anyone see the statistics? A stats calculation, the list of the R, and then press enter. What am I doing? Sorry. Ignore what we had now. So what we're doing? Oops. How to delete this? So this is so funny. Yeah. Okay. Now what we do is many. So can stats. What? What's the different distribution? What? What's the different now? All right then. So once we have the stats calculation, can anyone say the one variable statistics and list that, and then Press OK. Bang. There you go. I guess I just press the two variables, I guess. So we can say this one is a mean with 11.55. So later on we do the standard deviation, which is I'm going to show you this. And it's a 12 numbers. And then what we do have is a minimum, Q1, maximum, median, Q3, maximum. So now what we do is Q3 minus Q1, so which is just 11.75 minus 11.2. So we calculate 11.75 minus 11.2. Hopefully that equals 0.55. And so if you want to calculate all layer, remember, so Q1 minus 1.5 IQR. So which is 0.55 is your IQR. So which is 11.2 minus 1.5 multiplied by 0.55. Yeah, 0.55. Yeah. So that equal to the 10.375 is your lower upper bound. High upper bound will be 11.75 plus the Q 1.5 multiplied by your 0.55 IQR will be 12.575. There you go. And this graph will be looks like, let's going back to, yes, it's a positively skew. So I will show you how to write this answer in the class. Hopefully that makes sense. So analyzing part I will show you actually in the class when I come back. That's it. That's all I need to say and right now. And in the next class, what we do is we're gonna do the mean of the sample, which is I'm gonna show you how to calculate the maximum, minimum, and mean, and maybe standard deviation in the next part if you can. Hopefully that makes sense. See you guys next time.